And here we see part one again. Hopefully we're gonna get a different ending this time, but it's random, so who knows? Not me, that's who. He claps again, the door opens again. Well, admittedly, this part is up to the same, but up through the dance battle is the same. But after the dance battle, which the room they go into is the unknown variable. So there they go, they're dancing again, the crowd's still dancing in the background. That's one thing that never changes, the crowd's enthusiasm for dance. It sure is high, look at him go. They gotta have thunder thighs by now. Look at them squat. And here they're going. Looks like they're going to the room. They're going to the room. That room to there. They're going to collect the scroll in that room. There they go. Looking for the scroll. There's the scroll. They got the scroll. Good on them. And we're waiting to see if the shooter will come and get in this room and kill Kevin. Here comes the shooter. He's coming along. He's coming to the room. Will he find and kill Kevin? Oh, that looks like it's gonna be a yes. And Kevin is a goner. There he goes. Look at him die. Standing on the ground like that, like a dead thing that died. That's Kevin.